What's up, traders? If you are looking for the best 15-minute trading strategy, you need to check out the AK MACD BB indicator. Well, the name sounds quite funny or complicated, but it's quite a straightforward indicator though. Now, this powerful tool combines the MACD with Bollinger Bands, making it easier to identify strong trends and momentum shifts. So in this video, I'm just going to be breaking down how this indicator works and how you can use it to trade more effectively, okay? Now, you might be wondering why the MACD needs improvement. The MACD, short for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a go-to indicator for many traders. Right? Let's just add MACD to the chart very quickly. But the MACD lags often behind price action. It often lags behind price action. So it's great for confirming trends though, but without additional filters, it can generate false signals. So that is where the AKMACD-BB indicator comes in. By incorporating Bollinger Bands, it filters out market noise and highlights only the strongest momentum shifts. Okay, now how does the AKMACD-BB indicator work? This indicator actually adds Bollinger Bands around the MACD, or rather in addition to the MACD. The functionality is like a combination, is a dual indicator, right? A dual indicator, it combines both functionalities into one. Okay, so the indicator enables you to spot breakouts, and it helps you to avoid weak signals by focusing on strong momentum shifts, and it also helps you to identify overbought and oversold conditions with more precision. So for example, now you can see that whenever the indicator in the oscillator in the indicator window, whenever it climbs up to the extreme top, it signals an overbought condition. And within that zone, you are going to notice that red dots are going to begin to pop up, right? So let's just follow me, right? So when the red dots begin to pop up, it shows that sell momentum is getting stronger. It shows that a sell move is incoming. So whenever you notice the indicator rise to the top and these red dots begin to form, you should be looking for sell opportunities. Now you come to the candlesticks and then you watch out for the candlestick changing color to this sky blue. So when the candlestick changes color to sky blue, that is an additional signal to sell. Okay, so when you have the color of the candlesticks in sky blue and you have the red dots form, you can go ahead, make sure you get adequate confirmation. You enter your sell, set your stop loss some pips above the resistance, and your take profit can be at around support zones. Okay, so that is it for a sell. Then for a buy, when the indicator enters the extreme low part, the extreme bottom, and you notice the green dots begin to form and indicate the candlestick's color changes to yellow, that's a sign to enter a buy. So just make sure that you get your confirmations, get adequate confirmation. You can use candlestick patterns, chart patterns. You can even use other indicators to confirm, the signals, right? And then you enter a buy trade once you get enough confirmation. Set your stop loss some pips below the support, and you can set your take profit around the resistance zone. Okay, so that is it for a buy trade. Now the indicator is quite straightforward, right? Even a complete beginner can take advantage of this indicator, right? So by using this method, you only take trades when the market shows real momentum, keeping you one step ahead. Okay, so now to trade successfully on the 15-minute chart, you should follow these steps. All right, you should look for the indicator to climb to the top. All right, with the green dots on top showing bullish momentum. Then you watch out for when the red dots appear. After the red dots appear, if it coincides with a resistance zone, that is even better. You watch out for the red dots and you watch out for the color of the candlesticks to change to sky blue. All right. Once it changes to sky blue, and ensure that the red dots are still prevailing, you can go ahead to look for a good sell opportunity. If you are trading on the 15-minute chart, you might be an intraday trader or you might even be a scalper. So just make sure that you are using good risk to reward ratios. That's the major thing. And then ensure that you are quick with your exits, okay? If your target has been met, if you're trading on the 15-minute chart, right? So if you have a good risk to reward ratio, once you enter, after you get your confirmations, the candles, and all of that, you can exit, and then you can even look for another opportunity. For example, you can see this was a sell trend. There were different opportunities arising. You can see this was another opportunity. This is another opportunity, right? So even if the indicator color does not, the candlestick color does not remain blue throughout the time, because there could be some times when the momentum might not be as strong. So the color might change back to the normal candlestick color. But so long as the structure is maintained, the structure of lower high and lower lows, then you are still safe. Okay, you can still remain in your sell trade, I mean. Then if it is a buy opportunity, remember that the indicator should get to the lower part, and then the green dots should begin to form, and then you make sure the candlestick color changes to yellow. All right, the candlestick should dominantly be yellow, and then you can look for a good buy opportunity, enter your buy trade, set your stop loss below the swing low, target your resistance zones for take profit. Just ensure that if you are scalping, make sure that you are exiting quickly, okay? When the price gets to resistance, you can jump out. When the price, revisits a support zone, you can hop in again. As the price got to this resistance, perhaps you would have exited your buy trade. Then as it pulled back, you would have hopped in again once you get to confirmation, and then you ride till the next resistance, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically using this indicator on the 15-minute chart is quite straightforward. Actually, you can use the same method across the different time frames. Okay, meanwhile, avoid trading in low volatility conditions. All right, it is better to trade when the market direction is clear and when the momentum is strong. So the AK MACD BB indicator is a powerful upgrade to the traditional MACD strategy. By adding Bollinger Bands, it helps traders filter out weak signals and focus only on strong momentum shifts. This strategy works across all time frames, but it might have a particular affinity. Well, anyways, you can actually use it on any time frame, not necessarily only on 15-minute charts. Okay, you can use it across all time frames, and it is ideal for scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and even position traders. Whether you are a short-term trader or a long-term trader, you can use this indicator. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a powerful trading strategy. See you in the next video. Happy trading.